I made so much of this stuff because I was not sure how much we would need. So I hope I have a birthday coming up. And I can use
Somebody
this all
must.
for.
We have at least one friend whose birthday just happened and didn't plan a party yet. So.
Oh yeah! All right, time to bug him. Yeah. All right, beautiful. So we're gonna start tidying our area. We got leftovers. Oh my god. Yo, do we want to take like some scoops of just enjoy some scoops of the good stuff? I'm gonna get some spoons. This is for us now.
It's forbidden room temperature ice cream.
What a horrible description.
That's horrible to you?
Just room temperature. There's something. I'm gonna move this aside. Oh my gosh.
What do you want to get? Hurt teeth? Come on.
She's too much, chat. She's too much.
Okay.
Thank you. Who was that? Who did that? We have an incoming ad break, by the way, y'all, in just over a minute. Thank you. It was Title System. Welcome back, Title System. All right. Do you want the spatula, by the way? Because that's the real deal. If you want it.
Spoon now.
All right. Take as much or as little icing as you want. This is your opportunity to go hog. You can scrape it off of the spatula too. There's a ton on the spatula.
That's true.
Yeah. This is Katzer's Creations! Friend of the stream, Katzer is a very talented fellow Pokemon food artist. Cheers. Oh, it's so good.
That's very nice.
Thank you. Oh my god.
I'm not really a food artist by trade. I have other crafts primarily, but tonight I'm a fellow food artist.
Absolutely. You're doing such a great job. I'm so impressed, by the way. Oh my god, it's so tasty.
You can taste the real chocolate.
There's it's half cocoa powder, half melted dark chocolate. It came out so good. I'm going for a little bit more on my side.
I'm really excited to eat this. It was like a full, proper, assembled.
Oh my god, we forgot the dowels.
What?
It's not too late.
At what point was that supposed to happen?
Ideally before you put on your last, the icing on top, because we'll have to, put a little bit more. It's not the end of the world. We can still do it. That is going to help because you are taking yours home with you, and it will not survive the car ride otherwise.
Yeah, even when you said take one home, I was not actually picturing,
yeah.
6-layer.
And I hadn't really planned, maybe we'll find a box or something for you, but, yeah, I hadn't really planned how that would work. Honestly. Also, I didn't actually get to say, Katz's Creations makes life-sized Pokemon.
I could take the shorter one.
You could, but you gotta take yours. In my opinion, you gotta take the one that you made. She makes life-sized yarn art of pocket monsters. There we go. We said the sentence in the end.
I have a fairly large collection growing.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Do you know how many life-size boys you currently have?
60 plus unique ones.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Wow. That is cool as heck. Oh my god. Dang.
There's a spreadsheet.
There has to be at a certain point. Oh my gosh.
And I need to add more categories, more columns, so I have all the stats.
Oh my gosh. All right, we're going to clean
the
up.
table?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea at this point. What's the best way to do it? It's wild. Oh yeah, we'll clean these guys off. Oh my gosh, I'm just making more of a mess. So, inspired by Katzer's life-size creations, our goal tonight was to create a life-sized dessert of the mole pocket monster that we all know and love. There's so many bad words, that's why I'm talking weird, for the record. There we go. There we go. Hey, Okay, perfect. Now we just have to get them all. Oh wait, yeah, paper towel. Oh God, no, can I ask for a different piece of paper towel?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Oh hey, I missed the garbage earlier. Okay. Whoops. Thank you. Okay. And then we'll actually hit it with a sponge. This is...
Yes.
Yeah, we don't have to suffer in crumbs. We simply do not. Yay. So we'll do some icing transfers. We're gonna put some dowels into our boys first. I think that's the first step. Cool. We're in add time. Perfect. That's the incorrect lid. All right. Truly, and the life-size friend. If you switch the camera angle, actually, or camera thingy, yeah, our life-size friend is actually right here this whole time, hiding in plain sight. We'll have to compare them at some point. That'll be interesting, for sure. But yeah, don't scar your boy. He's probably gonna be a little scarred by all this.
It's definitely a little bit flatter on the top. My boy is more rounded.